Hi everyone, I'm back with another decorating video. Today we're doing a pink cherry cake. And here we start off with my crumb-coated chilled cake ready to go, just piping on the final layer of buttercream. I really love this part. It's super satisfying, just twirling around the turntable and just making it smooth, going around the sides, doing the same thing, twirl, twirl, spin, spin, smooth, smooth, and going in with any extra buttercream to fill in cracks or gaps. And then next we're going to throw that in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Come back, scrape off the edges. Putting in the freezer really helps with this process, makes it a lot easier and smoother to get clean edges. You want to do the same around the bottom. Just make it nice and clean. And then we're going to go in with our heart. I went around 4 times with the heart, and then I added this design. I didn't like it, so I erased it. Then went in and did more of a straight line type of deal, which I thought looked a lot better. And just repeated that 4 times. Then added in this cute little ribbon effect with my leaf tip. I don't remember which leaf tip I used. It's like one of the smaller ones. Yeah, just repeat that process again on all sides. And then we're going to go in with a shell tip, number 18 or 21, I believe. I believe it's 21. And we're going to do that on all sides. And then we're going to add in our pearls for the pearl heart, which takes me a very long time because my hands are shaky. And I'll go in here with my left hand for added stabilization and support because, like I said, super shaky hands. This part takes me forever. Fun stuff. Gotta have a lot of patience. And listen to, like, music and maybe drink some wine. That always helps. And then we're going to go in on top with our shell border. I'm using shell border, or icing tip 6B to get these nice big shells. And then we're going to go on top, add some swirly boys for the cherries. Here we are adding the final touches, the cherry on top. And I did go ahead and add in some extra side piping on the sides. It didn't get recorded, but I just felt like the sides needed a little extra something, so I added a little bit more of a frilly type design under the ribbon. And anyways, here we are, finished product. Hope you guys enjoyed.